friends, welcome back to another video. I'm Lorena. If it's your first time here, today I'm sharing some functional decor ideas for keeping an organized home. Two of my favorite things are decorating our home and organization, and functional decor is really helpful for keeping your home nice and organized. So I hope that you find some functional decor ideas today and some tips on how to keep your spaces organized. But before we can get into how to incorporate functional decor into your home, I think the number one most important thing when it comes to organization is decluttering and removing items from your home that no longer serve a purpose in your space. If you just have a whole bunch of stuff, whether that's home decor or clothes, I think it's really hard to keep your spaces organized and to even make use of functional decor. Throughout the spring, I've really tried to go through different spaces in our home and really organize them. And this summer, I still want to keep decluttering and organizing a bit more. And something that has really helped me with decluttering and becoming more organized lately has been Poshmark. I'm actually working with Poshmark today. They are sponsoring this video. If you're not familiar with Poshmark, they are the leading marketplace to buy or sell home decor, fashion, or beauty items. You can shop over 90,000 brands and score deals up to 70% off retail, or list your items for free to sell and make money from home. For me, this summer is a great time to declutter and organize different spaces in our home, and Poshmark makes it easy for me to clean out my closet and sell some clothing or home decor items that I've been holding on to for a while. I want to share a couple of home decor pieces that are in my Poshmark closet that you can shop. I have these vases which are so beautiful. This one has really pretty black and gold detail, and then this one is perfect for the summer. I love the greenish bluish tone that it has. It's just a really pretty summer accent decor piece. And then I have some candle holders. These have more of a rustic look to them, but I have some white candle holders on my Poshmark closet as well. And then I have some wall accent pieces. These are a set of 3 and have a little mirror in the middle. These are gray, but I have some gold ones on my closet as well. So if you download the app, I'm going to do a little bit of a giveaway and post some of these items for only $3. And I will have a link to Poshmark and my closet down below. So you can download the app and shop lots of fashion or home decor items, or you can start decluttering and post your items to sell on Poshmark and start creating a more organized home. So let's get into some functional decor ideas. The first one is one of my favorites to really help with clutter and organizing, but also can look just really pretty in any spaces throughout your home, and those are baskets. I love different types of baskets that have different textures or a different look. They're perfect to put in a living room, in your entryway, in your bedroom, just pretty much anywhere in your home. I have lots of baskets that help us organize and store many different things. This one belongs to our doggy Batman and holds his wipes and a towel. He has one upstairs for his toys, and they can look just so pretty and match your decor. This one in our hutch just holds some random objects but looks very pretty styled there. They're also great in a bathroom. You can style some pretty towels or just keep it really simple and functional by storing toilet paper, which is especially great in a guest bathroom. They're also great for blankets near a couch, which helps you with storage of extra blankets, but super functional just to grab. I also have some baskets in our closet that help us store some clothes, but I got some matching ones that look really pretty. Another great functional decor item are canisters. Canisters work great in a kitchen, a bedroom, a bathroom. They're great for holding different types of items, but look really pretty as decor as well. They're great in the kitchen if you're low on pantry space. I don't have a lot of space in our pantry, so I love using canisters to store some foods like rice, quinoa, and lentils, pretty much anything, and they look so pretty just styled as decor as well. I also love using canisters to store some tea, which really helps with drawer space as well. and they're great in a bathroom to store different items that you need quick access to, and they look really pretty styled as decor on the countertops. I love this one and the sleek look that it has. I also have several canisters in our guest bathroom, which is really helpful to organize and store some different items that our guests might need, and they look really pretty as decor. Another great functional decor item that really helps with organization are decorative boxes. I love the look of decorative boxes just to style around your home, but they also really help to just hide different things you kind of don't want laying around. I love hiding our remotes in decorative boxes. This really pretty one is in our bedroom. I also have one in our TV room, of course, and I love switching it out for a different style of decorative box every once in a while for a different look. I also have some in our hutch. This one stores some of our doggies' things, and I have a bigger one that stores all of my supplies for my Cricut machine, and it's great. You would never know that there is stuff there you are hiding, but it's really helpful for organization, and it just looks really pretty as decor. Different types of hooks are also great for functional decor because they can really make a great decorative accent, but then also help with storage. If you don't have storage space, having some hooks by the door is great to help you organize some of your things, but looks put together and really pretty. Having hooks in a bathroom is always great to help you with storing some towels. I also recently added some hooks to our laundry room. I hid them behind a door, but they can also look great as a decorative accent piece in any room. Trays are also a really great functional decor item because they look so beautiful as decor, but can work to really organize some items that you might have lying around. I usually use them for decor, but they're also great to help you organize things like keys and sunglasses by an entryway. I also have a tray that helps me organize some things on my vanity, like some lotions and perfumes, and it could still look like a very pretty decor piece. Another great functional decor item is an ottoman with storage. They are great for organization to just put things away, but then they also can look beautiful as decor in a bedroom or living room. I have one at the foot of our bed that helps us organize some winter items and purses, but looks so pretty styled in our bedroom. I also have an ottoman in our entryway, and if I had more room, I would probably add one to our living room. Another one of my favorites, which is more for organizing but can help with some decor aspects of your home, and those are command hooks. I recently added command hooks in our closet to help with hat storage, and I love this. So practical, but looks so nice as decor. You can even do this on a wall in a bedroom, and it's just great to help you organize those hats, but looks really pretty. But I usually use command hooks inside cabinet doors just to help with storing rags or a shower cap, anything like that. They're really great for organization. And that's everything for today's video. I hope that you got some functional decor ideas and some tips on how to keep your home organized. Don't forget to download Poshmark in the US, Canada, Australia, or India. You can use my link down below to shop my closet or any other of your favorite brands. If you get anything from my Poshmark closet, I would love for you to share it with me on Instagram. I'll leave my handle right here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!